Hello friends, I am Meenu. Today I want to talk about overthinking. Thinking is fine, but what do you mean by overthinking? Overthinking is when you keep thinking and just thinking about just one small thing. Maybe, just for example, I want to be a speaker, I want to go on a stage, and I went. And unfortunately, I failed. I did not do better. So, what next? If I keep thinking on that, how could I do this? Why did I fail? Why did I fail? I could have done it. No, this is bad. This is overthinking. But I did that. And what happened next? I could not take a step to improve myself and go again to the stage and give my better performance. Because I was just mourning, I was just comparing, I was just disappointed or frustrated about myself. So, stop doing that. You need to believe in yourself and stop overthinking, because many of us just keep thinking about something and we spoil our life, our moment, our time, present. You know that past is past, future is future, but we have to live in present, because present is the thing we have in our hand. We can either utilize it or we can spoil it. So, what do you want to do? Just believe in yourself and stop overthinking, because it's not going to help you in any way. Not in any way. So, believe that you can improve. You can improve from the situation. You can improve yourself. You can do better. You cannot keep thinking about one particular thing. If you are thinking, you are planning, you are strategizing, that is different thing. You are making a strategy, that is different thing. But if you just keep thinking about one small thing, that why it is happened, why, it's not gonna work. If you failed, if anything is bad happened to you, you can just let it go, happen, fine. Learn from something, learn from that and move ahead. Because that one thing that you're overthinking can stop you from going ahead, moving ahead in your life. So think about it.